friends, it's Maya coming to you again on Tea Tuesday. And as you can see, the tea I am drinking is actually fever grass tea, also known as lemongrass tea. But in the old country, um, it's called fever grass. I use the grass to make um, fever grass tea. And my friend know that I caught COVID and suggest that I drink a cup of fever grass tea. So what I did was put the fever grass in some water, add some ginger and some orange peel to it, or orange rind I should say, and it makes a good tea. Fever grass tea is what we use in the old country to counteract fever, um, to help to build up our immune system, and a whole lot of other health benefits. It also helps if you drink fever grass tea at night. It helps you to sleep. You know, it has a nice soothing effect to drinking fever grass tea. And it tastes like a light minty or light. I mean, I add ginger, but it also had that like a rooty ginger taste to it as well. Yeah, so this is what the elders used to use when someone gets sick back in the old country. And you know, those elders, they know a little bit about everything and how to combat the common sickness, right? So this is what I'm drinking. I am drinking fever grass tea. Beautiful color too. And it's so good, my friends. Nice, soothing tea. And of course, I feel like if you're drinking tea, you have to be eating something. And I'm having a slice of homemade pizza made with naan bread. Also good. Ooh, nice. Along with Tea Tuesday, my friends, I wanted to show you this gift that my coworker gave to me. Now, my coworker is a very creative person. She has a very creative mind, and she gave me this as a gift. And what it is actually, it's a jar with a notepad and a marker inside. And what I love about this gift, of course, you can tell that it's, you know, it's not store-bought. She made it. And the idea of this gift is, my friends, you take, I'm just going to take that tag off. You get yourself an empty jar like this. And every week, you write down something good that happened to you for that week. So starting in January, so this is a perfect month, and this is not a New Year's resolution. It's just, I guess, a gratitude jar or something. You could use it as a daily thing, weekly or monthly thing. And at the end of the year, on New Year's Eve, you empty the jar and see, you know, what wonderful things happened to you for that year. Isn't this a great idea? And I mean, it looks like a minimal cost to this gift, but it's such a powerful, powerful gift, right? I just thought, wow, like I was so impressed by just the concept of this. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to put today's date because you can if you want to. And I'm going to try and make this a weekly thing that I do this, right? So today is January 22nd, 2022. I'm going to be extra and put the time is as well, and it's now 9:20 a.m. Oh, okay. So so one of the wonderful things, hand wash only. It says a hand wash only, but that's okay. Um, yeah. So one of the wonderful thing that happened to me. Oh, that's a good tea. So one of the wonderful things that happened this week, actually today, I got to go do Hoovering. You know, I wasn't feeling well and I feel much better, and so I got to do that stuff. So why this is important to me is that I'm back on track to completing my goal of paying off my credit card. So this is important to me. So this is why I'm writing now. So I am gonna try. I went. Oops, I told you I gotta stop. I find when I turn the paper like this and start to write, it looks like I'm writing from back to front, and that's not what I'm actually doing. So I'm gonna put. I went Ubering. I don't know why I said Ubering. Is that such a word? This morning. So I am grateful for that because honestly, my guy friends, I am feeling good, right? And I'm drinking my fever grass tea, and hopefully, it's gonna be great. So I'm going to be doing this every single week. I'm going to make a note of the nice thing that happened to me for that week, and yeah, and you know what? The marker fits perfectly in there. But I thought this was a great idea. Guys, try and start this instead of doing New Year's resolution that doesn't work. I think this is just a great idea. And thank you, my coworker and friend. It's a great job. Thank you for watching, my friends. And let's say it. This is my time and I deserve something better.